Okay, here's a revised rendering of the utility room. So this would be our components cabinet. Open space from the face of the components cabinet to the adjacent cabinet. We've got 39 inches. So we need to figure out our laundry basket width. That would go in between here. So you have a countertop that span across the top of this, presumably, and angle over across the top here. Component cabinet, 4 shelves, and once you get the components set, you're not going to be in there every time you want to turn it on. A little awkward getting in underneath the countertop, but given what we have to work with, let me know if this will work.